Now next is ICSE 2019. A hemispherical and a conical hole is scooped out of a solid wooden cylinder. Find the volume of the remaining solid, where the measurements are as follows. The height of the solid cylinder is 7 cm. Radius of each of hemisphere, cone and cylinder is 3 cm. Height of a cone is 3 cm. So here is the diagram. Okay, here it is given that one cylinder is there. From this cylinder you have to take out cone and this hemisphere. So after taking out this cone and hemisphere, what will be the volume of that solid? You have to find the volume of solid after taking out this cone and hemisphere. So their radius will be equal 3 cm and the height of this cylinder is 7 cm. So here cone radius is 3 cm, height is given 3 cm. Cylinder radius is 3 cm, height 7 cm. In hemisphere radius 3 cm. So to find the volume of the remaining is, you have to, from the volume of this cylinder, you have to subtract this cone and hemisphere, because you are taking out this cone and hemisphere from solid. So you have to subtract their volumes. So here is the process. Volume of the remaining solid is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. So formula pi r square h for cone, 1/3 of pi r square h, for hemisphere 2/3 of pi r cube. Now put the value. Okay, after that you simplify this in this line. Okay, you can take out this 22/7 common so that you can simplify first. Okay, you will get smaller number. After that you can multiply and divide by 7. You will get 113.14 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of remaining solid. Now ICSE 2020. A solid spherical ball of radius 6 cm is melted and recast into 64 identical spherical marbles. Find the radius of each marble. So in this question, okay, spherical ball is there whose radius is 6 cm. So this is melted, this sphere is melted and convert into marble, spherical shape only but small small size. 64 spherical marble. Find the radius of each marble. So you have to find the radius of each marble. So one spherical ball is melted and converted into 64 spherical marble. So spherical ball whose radius capital R is 6 cm. Spherical marble radius is question mark. So number of marble. To find the number of marble, volume of marble will be in the denominator. Volume of ball divided by volume of marble. Both are spares, so formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Here capital R because ball is large in size, marble smaller in size. So number of marble 64 given in question. 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi cancel. Capital R is 6, small r question mark. You have to find cross multiplication, then you'll get 216/64. You know 216 is 6 cube and 64 is 4 cube. So cube cancel out. R is equal to 6/4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3/2 is 1.5. So radius of each marble is 1.5 centimeter.